Hello guys. Today I'll be demonstrating Forensic and AI assisted SOC triage and investigation platform. It is built using Splunk, Streamlit, and Gemini. Our goal was to combine the deterministic security detections with AI driven contextual investigation and MITRE, ATT, and CK mapping. So, the architecture is I have divided into two parts. So, the one is the deterministic detection logic, and second is AI assisted reasoning and investigation. So, deterministic detection logic includes the brute force attempts, the privilege escalation, anti forensics behavior, data exfiltration indicators, log tampering, time tampering, and all that. AI layer here, it just interprets the correlated attack chain, maps it to the MIT, RE, ATT, and CK brief, and then it assists the analyst, that is the SOC analyst interactively. So data set, what I have used here is a synthetic data set, but still we made it realistic by including repeated failed VPN login, successful authentication from a suspicious IP, sensitive database downloads, external uploads, then audit log clearing, timestamp anomalies, and service tampering. So we have also added normal background events to simulate the realistic enterprise telemetry. So here is the log scanner. So when we click this button, log scanners, it will use a deterministic Python deterministic logic, and it will run the Splunk query language, and which will and we'll get the JSON, which is the raw evidence JSON, and using this raw evidence JSON, the Gemini will generate the MITRE, ATT, and CK report, and we also include a chat based interface to communicate and get the scripts. So for example, if you want bash scripts, you can use this chat interface. So I show you the script, so you can, like, if you want to JSmith, according to our database, JSmith was a suspicious suspect, so we can find scripts to disable him, like all these scripts for Linux, for Windows PowerShell, block malicious IP address, etc. uh, so then for key so in this application, the key innovation which according to me is we have not used everything for AI. It's not like an AI wrapper application. We have used deterministic trustable detections plus AI. We didn't give AI the responsibility to detect the attacks, only for communication plus what to do when some anomalies are detected. For that we have used AI because of two limitations, because of the token limitations of API, because I'm using Gemini AI here, and obviously they won't give endless tokens. There'll be less tokens available each day. For that, to reduce the token usage, and also AI can hallucinate at some time. So to reduce that, I've used deterministic logics. Ran So this is the chat interface where we can chat based on this report what the AI has given. So this is the report what Gemini has given according to the logs which I generated using this Splunk query language. So Splunk, I have used local Splunk. I didn't use Splunk Cloud Tier or something like that. So, in summary, Forensic demonstrates how agentic AI can augment SOC operations by transforming the fragmented telemetry into actionable incident intelligence. So the further improvements is obviously the deterministic logics. I have just included few anomalies, but obviously there are many anomalies, so we have to include that. And secondly, I have used JSON as the log here, and logs cannot be just only in JSON format; they can be in different formats. So how do I generalize that? I will include that also in the future improvement. And also I will use multi-agent orchestration, and I'll use graph-based attack visualization, and maybe even autonomous threat hunting, and SOAR playbooks, etc. So I will include that in the future scope. This is just an MVP of what I have done. So thank you guys, and if you want to know about the architecture, I will give the GitHub link, and there you can find out the architecture, the readme. Thank you guys.